How to use VPN for Mac. Hey guys, in this video, I'll teach you how to use VPN for Mac and what VPN can do. First, open the App Store on your Mac. On the left side, click the search bar at the top, type VPN and press enter on your keyboard. Now you will see many VPN apps. Look for VPN Proxy Master Unlimited VPN and click the app icon. After that, click the pink Get button on the right side. Wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, open the VPN app. You will see the main screen with a large power button in the center. Before connecting, let me explain what VPN can do. A VPN can help hide your real IP address and add more privacy while browsing online. A VPN can protect your internet when using public Wi-Fi in cafes, airports, or hotels. VPN can help access websites or content that may be limited in your location. Now, to use it, go to the left side and choose a country like Japan, Singapore, or Hong Kong. Choose Singapore for faster nearby speed. Choose Japan if you need Japan content or website. After choosing a server, go to the center and click the large power button. Wait a few seconds until it says connected. Your Mac is now using VPN. If your Mac asks for permission, click allow or enter your Mac password. To turn it off later, click the large power button again. Short tip: use the nearest server location for better speed and smoother browsing. So there you go guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.